lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. We congratulate our TANCET and MAT batch student Pavitra for her excellent performance in the TANCET 2024 and MAT 2024 examination. In TANCET, she scored 99.58 percentile, and in MAT, she has scored 651.25 score. We congratulate Pavitra for her excellent performance and hard work. All the best, Pavitra, for your excellent career. Admissions are open for May MAT 2024 online coaching. The new batch commences from April 11. If you want to enroll for this new batch, you can enroll through the link provided in the description box. All the best, students. This is the last opportunity to enroll for your MBA 2024. More than 200 plus colleges accept MAT score all over Tamil Nadu as well as India. Dream MBA. And CMAT has announced the registration dates and the application form is open. Let us see. So already 29th March, the registration date started and it ends on 18th April. So online submission of application form is from 29th March to 18th April. Last date is on 18th April. And you can if there is any correction in your application form, you can do it between 19th April and 21st April, and intimation of cities of exam centers will be announced later on the website, and they will also inform you about the admit cards on the website in the later period of time, and you can expect your examination in May 2024. So I think after May 15th you can expect your CMAT examination. The duration of this examination is of 180 minutes, and the timing of the examination is also will be uploaded later on the website, and language of the paper is English. So we will upload more details about CMAT in the upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So once again, we congratulate our student Pavitra for her excellent performance in the TANCET as well as MAT examination. If you want to enroll for the upcoming MAT and CMAT examination online coaching, you can enroll through the link provided in the description box. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.